How to play OG Fortnite in 2023. Alright, I'm keep this short and sweet. First thing you want to do is look up the Project Nova Discord, or you can click the link in the description down below. I'm gonna have the direct link to the Discord, and then once it should take you to here. Like once you're verified, you want to go to the downloads channel, and first you want to turn off your antivirus. And you could trust me here, it's legit. It's just a false positive it triggers on the Windows Defender or any antivirus. And you want to download this, and then once that's finished downloading, you want to download the Nova installer. Alright, so finally what you want to do is just launch the game, and boom, here you go. Fortnite Season 7 in 2023. So damn.